Ever wondered about that lonely sock left after laundry day? Where did its partner vanish? Is it just lost or something more magical? Some whisper tale of the hungry dryer monster gobbling socks whole. Imagine a fluffy beast lurking within the spinning drum. Or perhaps it's static clings, that sneaky force binding socks to unseen corners of sweaters or pant legs. It's a hidden embrace. Sometimes the escape happens after the wash. A daring roll under the bed, perhaps, or maybe behind the dresser, exploring the dusty yarn bunny's domain. But what if it's a grander adventure? Could there be tiny portals, hidden passages in the laundry machine leading to elsewhere? Welcome to Sakarnia, a vibrant, bouncy land woven entirely from lost threads and mismatched pairs. Paradise found. Here, single socks aren't lonely. They bungee jump with loose threads. They build cozy forts from forgotten fabric scraps. It's a sock jubilee. Sometimes they find new purpose, becoming puppets for unseen hands, or cozying up as nests for tiny yarn creatures. A second life. Do they ever miss their match? Maybe, perhaps some even seek a way back, a loose thread connecting worlds. So next time a sock goes missing, don't despair. It might just be starting its own delightful adventure. The secret life of socks is truly a joyful yarn.